Hello, everyone. Welcome back into our Christmas Eve newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. And boy, we are getting the cold temperatures we've been talking about for the last couple of days. Santa's going to put some long johns on tonight when he takes off tonight because it's going to be pretty darn chilly, close to 30 below, but it's going to move out pretty quickly. So that's the good news. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Speaking of Christmas, this is a nice shot. This one's sent in by Tommy Tohill. Lives in the Healy area. Got a reflection. It's not a reflection of the Cheney River. Actually, it is the cache with the northern lights behind it. Beautiful colors there. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos at KTVF Channel 11. And speaking of photos, the Fab Photo Calendar is available still at Personnel Plus, the Prescription Center, and Ice Fog Vapors, and that's it. There are no more left around, so you want to get it up before the new year. Our high today are 4 degrees below zero, the overnight low 5 below, but right now, dropping down rapidly. Like I said, cold temperatures moving in. Record high 42, 1985, 54 below in 1961. Sunrise this morning exactly 11 o'clock. Sunset this evening at 2:43, actually this afternoon, giving us 3 hours and 43 minutes, a gain of 44 seconds from yesterday as we gain more time. On our satellite radar, you can see a lot of moisture moving in from the southwest, but that's where it's going to just be basically stop with a high pressure ridge like a big wall in the atmosphere, keeping it from moving any further. Folks in Anchorage may see some snow shower activity tomorrow, but we're just going to be mainly partly cloudy skies. Across the rest of the state, it looks like things are pretty good. Over southeast Alaska, I should say Juneau at 21 degrees, Ketchikan 29, and some snow shower activity around the Anchorage Bowl, 9 degrees there. Kodiak 33, scattered snow shower and rain shower activity. Cold Bay looking at some rain, 38 degrees. Then temperatures not too bad up and down the west coast. 12 degrees at Nome, 21 at Bethel, but chilly once again across the north slope. 18 degrees below zero at Barrow and 36 below currently at Fort Yukon. Okay, lower 48 weather. Again, the storms that brought the tornadoes that brought death and destruction yesterday to much of the southeast are just moving slowly to the east. The next system is now moving across the west coast, expected to take a big dive down to the south and to become a major winter storm for many areas. In fact, you can see this is the snowfall total for Thursday night and Friday, measured in feet in the Colorado Rockies, then also around parts of northern New Mexico, anywhere from a foot to 2 feet of snow expected there. Salt Lake City will be seeing some snow also. And again, the jet stream is the main culprit here, taking a big dive down to the southwest and pulling all that cold air in from Canada, at the same time clashing with more humid and warm air coming in from the southwest over the eastern half of the country. Will be a boundary for more rain and severe thunderstorm activity. Okay, once again, time for our weather fact for tonight. And in 1989, Key West, Florida set their all-time record low when the thermometer dropped to 44 degrees. Pretty chilly for those folks down there, right down there near the Cuban area. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And the kids are off for vacation, of course, but the class from Saltshire Elementary will be here as our guest on the 5th of January. All right, the forecast for the rest of Alaska for tomorrow, mostly clear over the northern sections for Barrow, partly cloudy for Nome and also at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at temperatures slowly warming with gusty winds up to 40 miles an hour in the passes near the Healy area. Over the southeastern sections, they're getting ready for some big winter storm problems coming in. More snow expected for Juneau by tomorrow night, and then rain and snow developing for Ketchikan. While over to the southwest part of the state, it looks like periods of snow at Cold Bay, rain in Bethel, and rain also for Kodiak. And down over the south central sections in the Anchorage Bowl, mostly cloudy skies at Homer and Valdez, while Anchorage will have just mainly cloudy skies. And our forecast for tonight, as Santa gets ready to make his trip, chilly. 27 degrees below zero for much of the area, and colder temperatures overnight. But the good news is warmer temperatures moving in by tomorrow, 3 degrees below for the high. And it gets even better for the 5-day outlook here. Look at the temperatures rising to the low to mid-teens all the way through the 5-day period. No precipitation in the forecast. Overnight lows will also be warming up very nicely for this time of year. Really warm, 0 to the single digits above zero. So all in all, pretty nice Christmas present from Mother Nature, at least the way temperatures go.